Thank you very much, ma.
What?
What is wrong? Help! Somebody help! Somebody help! What is it? Jesus Christ! Somebody help! Oh! Somebody help! Hey! Hey! Oh! Hey God! Hey!
Madam!
Help! Oh.
What happened to him?
I just gave him money. He's still conversing. Oh!
Eh?
Just
Hey! You want to use this boy for money ritual, Abi? Hey!
Give him money.
See, calm down, eh? See, there's one hospital down there. You hear me? We need to take him down there.
Okay, take him.
Do you have any money there?
Yes.
You have money there. Collect the money. Hey, how much is there?
10,000. Take.
10,000 naira.
Yes, take all of them.
Eh.
Yes.
Don't worry, I will go and treat you. I'll take you to the hospital.
Okay.
Just go.
Okay.
Go.
Yes.
Hey, hospital! Hey, hospital! Calm down. Now let go know wetin you dey shop.
This is where I don't fat anyhow. What did they shop?
Calm down. She don't go.
Business partner.
Top knuckles.
My business partner.
Yes. Samolo, calm down. Take
How much is this? 2,000.
2,000. Now me get the idea.
Which idea? I beg you money.
2,500.
Thank you.
Good luck. Take 500.
There's no time to waste. More go.
Time no day. We'll go that transformer, that street there. Big men food that side. We'll go that side. Come.
Let's go to that junction. Good luck. Come, let's go now.
Come now.
Good luck.
Come now. No time.
Brother. Please, good afternoon, sir. Sir, please, can you help me with small money? I'm very, very hungry. And my uncle is very sick.
Yeah, how about your parents, boy?
They're at home.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't need to talk too much. I have something here. This will be enough for you. You just
Thank you, sir.
Okay, be a good boy.
Thank you, sir. Ah! Ah!
Hey, boy. Hey. Boy.
Hey! Don't move! So now you!
Bros, I gave my money for.
Oh, you begging for money? You give him. You want some? You're a ritualist.
Say, okay, no.
You're a ritualist.
You give my money.
You give him money.
Hey!
You give him money.
Hey!
So now you be the ritualist.
No,
Abi?
I beg you, no.
Now you.
No.
See, boss, you want any money?
I give money.
Don't just panic. Give us the money.
Okay.
I
I
give him half. Give any money.
Okay, I get money.
Give everything.
I beg.
Let's go, move on.
How much they here?
I don't know.
Hospital.
You get one hospital there that side. You hear me? We will carry and go there like this now. Don't worry, they go.
Let's go hospital.
Not that side. Not this side.
Hospital.
I beg.
Go.
You sure? I beg.
Uncle, the both of you should come. I want to see you people. Come, please, come. Sit, just get yourself seated. See, there's what I want to tell you people. What I've been suffering since. It's only the both of you that are eating it. Look at that day. That man gave us 10,000 naira. 10,000! And you people gave me 500 naira out of the 10,000. I don't like it. How can we be doing business and you giving me change? Walking like elephant and eating like ant. Is that possible in this Nigeria? I don't think that is possible. I don't think.
Good luck. So what do you want us to do now?
From today henceforth, I want to be taking 50% and you people will be sharing 50%.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Good luck. Let's say you don't take alcohol. Did you smoke?
I did not smoke.
Wait, you give this boy go smoke.
Agreed?
No.
You give alcohol.
I don't know what is coming over his head.
Good luck. See, this business, we initiated this business.
Yes, I agree. You are the owner of the business, but I'm the one fainting. I faint for real.
Okay, calm down. You know what? Since you're the major person in this thing now, we'll be giving you 30% and we'll be taking 70%.
30 take. No. Disagreed. If you don't, I will leave this our business.
Wait, calm down. See, let's just balance this thing for once and for all. We'll give you 40%, I will take 60%.
40 to take 60. Hey, you people are looking for my trouble.
Good luck. 40%.
Okay, agreed.
Hey! I can't wait to build my house here. I'll build my security gate here. Build 4-bedroom duplex there. Then this other side, I'll build church. Hey, this is a cool business. Hey! Nah, this is the best investment in life. I will buy land. After building this house, I will buy car. Benz! YLK. Hey!
Sir, please. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. How are you?
Fine, sir. Sir, please, can you help me with some money? I'm very, very hungry. Very. Yes, sir.
How about your parents?
They are not around. Yes.
It's okay. Me too. I'm very hungry. Okay? Just that I have 100 there. We'll share it 50-50.
Okay, sir.
What? Enjoy yourself. Go and enjoy, eh?
Okay.
You look like donut. Oh! Confusion! Oh! Oh! Confusion! What? Confusion! Oh!
Funke!
What is this guy is having confusion?
Funke!
Confusion! Hey, what's your name? Hey! He's having confusion!
Good luck. You are very lucky that man did not injure you. By now, for this psychiatric.
My brother. He's not lucky because I'm still going to inject him.
Do you know that guy? You know Sabalo? Sabalo! Let's go! Is him? Is him? Sabalo! What is in Port Harcourt? Is him? Sabalo! Hey! Saba! Ambo! Ambo!
Hey, Baba, no verse on me now. As I enter Port Harcourt since yesterday, till now, I don't shoot anyhow. I dey shoot for GRA now.
Oh, you dey shoot for GRA so?
Yes, now.
Ah, na there we dey shoot now, We dey shoot anyhow for there, Na there like this we dey go safe. No, what for you? Since 10 p.m. yesterday, we dey shoot 1 a.m. I dey shoot to my brother. No, you know anything. When we want shoot, we go position like this, they shoot. We go dey shoot. Now we dey shoot.
If you see the way we take shoot yesterday, we shoot us everybody tire.
I hope so you dey.
We don't like better thing. Omo, since Nigeria una dey shoot and I dey go Jare go shoot now, more dey go Jare. Yeah, more dey go.
Hey, hold it there.
Hey, my friends. Hold on. Hold on. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Yes, you guys are doing perfectly good.
Thank you very much, sir.
I overheard you guys saying shooting. You guys can shoot very well, though.
No shoot. See, nobody doesn't know in this Port Harcourt like this.
Okay.
We used to shoot where? I am the shooter, they are the shooting.
You shot here yesterday night.
Yes, sir, we shoot from 10 p.m. to 1 a.m.
Oh my God, these guys are shooters, eh?
So let's go.
Don't move. I am Detective James. You are under arrest.
Hey, sir, for what?
Remain silent. Whatever you do or say will be used against you in the court of law. So you guys has been the one terrorizing this
You
community.
know, it's comedy film. We used to do comedy.
Yes,
we shoot film.
You shooting movie and you're killing people.
No.
Don't worry, when you get to the station, you shoot movie.